Hey everybody, amprepairguy.com here, 203-892-4119. Please hit the like button and subscribe at the end. I appreciate it. Only takes a second. So here we have a Ameritron al80b. It was fixed by me a while back. Guy used it for a while and he ended up having an issue. So I guess he was using a multi-band Yagi, and there was a problem up on the antenna. I believe he was putting it into an open, bad connection or something. So he ended up taking out the plate tune cap. I guess he kept transmitting and it was arcing. He damaged the tube also, has a grid to cathode short now. So he provided an air variable from an older version of this amp, but as you can see, I don't know if he broke it or what. I've never had to replace one before, but it's shorter on this one. I don't know if it was the same length or not, but couldn't be used anyway. I thought about ripping some of the... Here, I'll show you the original one. As you can see, the cap is just like melted. The metal here, wiper, stator, whatever you want to call it. It's just totally shot, and it's damaged between other plates also. Originally I thought about maybe like taking this one apart and changing some, but this one has been filed down. This has also been this one's been damaged over years too, so I didn't want to go through all this work just for him to have issues again. So in order to do this repair, you have to take out this right here, the toroid, and then you have to loosen these two nuts, unsolder these, bring the board up, disconnect this, take the front panel off. There are two nuts on the front, one for each cap. Take the 4 screws out, 2 screws per air variable. Takes a little while. It's not an easy repair, and it's the like I said, it's the one on that side. So all knobs come off, everything, front panel comes out carefully. I use a ratchet with a short extension to get at the nuts. 3/8 socket. Right here. So, and then reverse. So it's all back together. Just waiting on a new tube. So after that, he'll be good to go. I have 2 Heath kits and another Ameritron to get to. So thanks for watching. If you have any amplifiers like this you need to repair, please give me a call. 203-892-4119. Amp Repair Guy. Please hit the like and subscribe button. It only takes a second. Thanks. Bye.